Hi, I'm Hitesh Kanwar from Paper Curves. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about paper quilling, its techniques and tools. Paper quilling uses thin paper strips which are coiled and given different shapes to make different objects. It also uses a lot of tools. There will be different videos to tell you about how to use them. Paper quilling consists of a lot of techniques like fringing, husking, making roses with paper strips, beehiving, etc. You can make a lot of projects with it like greeting cards, wall pieces. Uh, Quilt typography is quite new, but it's getting a lot of attention. You can decorate objects like boxes, photo frames, candle holders, and lanterns with it. Three-dimensional quilling um, consists of a lot of products like dolls, bells, and miniatures. Quilt jewelry is quite popular these days. That's all for today. Do visit our website www.papercurves.com and visit our Facebook page also, which is www.facebook.com/papercurves. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.